You've probably heard the phrase, correlation does not imply causation. Sunscreen sales and ice cream sales may be correlated, but would you imagine that higher sunscreen sales really cause higher ice cream sales? Other variables in the data, such as the daily temperature, may actually be the cause of the increase in both sunscreen and ice cream sales. This is called a confounder, and it needs to be accounted for. The new causal inference analysis tool in ArcGIS Pro 3.2 allows you to confirm causal hypotheses by measuring the relationship between cause and effect variables, while accounting for confounders. If you want to test how a decrease in smoking rates might cause a decrease in respiratory disease rates, you could use the new tool. Specify disease as the outcome, smoking as the exposure, and a list of confounders you want to account for, like occupation, age, region, and more. The result measures the causal effect of smoking on respiratory disease, accounting for all the other factors listed.